Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I'll show you how to add or remove Bluetooth notification icon on taskbar in Windows 11. To hide Bluetooth icon on the taskbar, just right-click on the Bluetooth icon and choose Remove Icon. Now I'm going to show you how to show the Bluetooth icon on the taskbar. Go to System Settings. In the Settings, click Bluetooth in Devices. Click on Devices title to expand it. Scroll down and click More Bluetooth Settings. On the Bluetooth Settings pop-out window, check the last box to show Bluetooth notification icon. Click Apply then OK. As you can see, the Bluetooth notification icon is now available on taskbar. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.